Hello friends, welcome to Basic Maths. Today I will explain non-homogeneous problems on method 2. So, if the differential equation mdx plus ndy equal to 0 is a non-homogeneous differential equation, because if mdx plus ndy is homogeneous differential equation and mx plus ny is not equal to 0, mx plus ny is not equal to 0 and the powers of m and n are same, the powers of m and n are same, then the integrating factor of this function is 1 by mx plus ny. Integrating factor of this function is 1 by mx plus ny. Then multiplying by this integrating factor of mdx plus ndy, then the function mdx plus ndy becomes exact differential equation. So integrating on both sides we get the general solution. So how to find method 2 of non-homogeneous differential equation? First let's check the function of mdx plus ndy is non-homogeneous, then the powers of m and n are same, powers of m and n are same, then that is method 2. So integrating factor of method 2 is 1 by mx plus ny. So multiplying these integrating factor we get the homogeneous or exact differential equation. So integrating on both sides we get the general solution. Let me explain the problems. So first problem, xy dx minus of x square plus 2y square dy equal to 0. So xy dx plus minus of x square minus of 2y square dy equal to 0. So this is in the form of mdx plus ndy equal to 0. So first condition of method 2 is the powers of m and n are same. So here m power is 2 and also n power is also 2. So the powers of m and n are same. So next condition is mx plus ny is not equal to 0. So let me check mx plus ny. So m value is xy into x plus ny minus of x square minus 2y square. So that is equal to x square y minus x square y minus 2y cube. So here x square y cancel, that is equal to minus 2y cube. So this is not equal to 0. So therefore mx plus ny is not equal to 0. So this is method 2. So what is integrating factor? 1 by mx plus ny. So that is minus 1 by 2y cube. So multiplying by integrating factor on both sides. So xy by minus 1 by 2y cube, minus 1 by 2y cube into dx. Next one is plus minus x square minus 2y square into minus 1 by 2y cube dy equal to 0. So here y cube cancel, so that is minus x by 2y square dx. So next term is minus of minus into minus, here plus x square by 2y cube dy. Next here minus into minus plus 2y square y cube cancel. So 2 by y dy equal to 0. So then integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So xy into minus 1 by 2y cube. So here minus x by 2y square dx plus, so minus x square into minus 1 by 2y cube dy minus, next term is minus 2y square into minus 1 by 2y cube dy equal to 0. So minus x by 2y square dx plus minus into minus plus x square by 2y cube dy. So here also minus into minus plus 2y square 2y cube cancel, that is 1 by y dy equal to 0. So integrating on both sides 0. So here this is exact differential equation. So in exact differential equation we have the formula, that is integration of m dx plus n dy equal to c. So here y is constant, in m y is constant, so integration of n dy, remove x terms. So in first equation, so first integration y is constant, so here I am writing integration 1 by 2y square integration of minus x dx plus next term, here this is n term. So in n term remove x terms, so here this term is removed. So next one is 1 by y dy equal to c. So integration of x dx is x square by 2. So minus x square by 2 into 2y square plus integration of 1 by y is log y equal to c. So here minus x square by 4y square plus log y equal to c. So this is our required solution. Next problem, x square y minus 2xy square dx minus of x cube minus 3x square y dy equal to 0. First write m dx plus n dy equal to 0 form. So x square y minus 2xy square dx plus minus x cube minus into minus plus 3x square y dy equal to 0. So first check m equal to, m and n powers are same. So here m power x power 2 y power 1, so 3. Here also 3. So m power is 3 and n power is also 3. So first condition is satisfied. So next condition is mx plus ny. So that is not equal to 0. If mx plus ny is not equal to 0, then apply method 2. So mx plus ny, x square y minus 2xy square into x plus minus x cube plus 3x square y into y. So x square into x, so x cube y minus 2x square y square minus x cube y plus 3x square y square. So here x cube y cancel. So minus 2x square y square plus 3x square y square. So that is x square y square. So what is it? Integrating factor. So here mx plus ny is not equal to 0. So second condition is also satisfied. So integrating factor is 1 by x square y square. So multiplying by integrating factor on both sides, then the given problem becomes exact differential equation. So multiplied by 1 by x square y square. So first one, x square y minus 2x y square by x square y square dx. Next one is plus a minus of x cube plus 3x square y by x square y square dy equal to 0. So here x square y by x square y square dx minus 2xy square by x square y square dx minus x cube by x square y square dy plus 3x square y by x square y square dy equal to 0. So here 1 by y dx. So y square cancel, minus 2 by x dx. So this is m term. So next one is minus, so plus I am writing plus minus. So here x by y square dy. So next term is x square cancel, y cancel, plus 3 by y dy equal to 0. So here this is exact differential equation. So 1 by y minus 2 by x dx, next term plus minus x square x by y square minus plus 3 by y dy equal to 0. So integrating on both sides. So integration of 1 by y minus 2 by x dx plus integration of, so here integration of m dx plus n dy equal to c. So by condition of integration of n dy, so I am removing x term, then here only 3 by y dy equal to c. So one integration of 1 by y dx minus 2 into integration of 1 by x dx plus integration of 3 by y dy equal to c. So 1 by y into integration of dx is x, minus 2 into integration of 1 by x is log x, plus 3 into integration of 1 by y is log y equal to c. So final solution, x by y minus 2 log x plus 3 log y equal to c. Next one, x square y dx minus of x cube plus y cube dy equal to 0. So first write in this form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So that is, so here m equal to x square y and n equal to minus x cube minus y cube. So m and n powers have the same powers. So mx plus ny equal to x square y into x plus minus x cube minus y cube into y. So this is x cube y minus of x cube y minus y power 4. So here x cube y cancel, minus y power 4. So this is not equal to 0. So therefore mx plus ny is not equal to 0. So by using method 2. So integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny equal to minus 1 by y power 4. So multiplying by these integrating factor, then we get exact differential equation. So x square y into minus 1 by y power 4 dx plus minus x cube minus y cube into minus 1 by y power 4 dy equal to 0. So here minus x square by y cube dx minus into minus plus x cube by y power 4 minus into minus plus 1 by y dy equal to 0. So this is a exact differential equation. So general solution of exact differential equation is integration of m dx plus n dy equal to dx, y is constant. So here remove x term. Integration of minus x square by y cube dx plus integration of 1 by y dy equal to c. So 1 by y minus 1 by y cube into integration of x square dx plus integration of 1 by y dy equal to c. So minus 1 by y cube, integration of x cube is x square is x cube by 3 plus integration of 1 by y is log y equal to c. So final solution is minus x cube by 3y cube plus log y equal to c. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.